Sri Lanka. I hope you had a good meeting with the President in the morning. You and I have met on several occasions, and I look forward to continuing our close cooperation. Your visit is the first Chinese visit to the South Asian region, and the foreign diplomatic delegation to visit Sri Lanka since the outbreak of the coronavirus. I am happy that Sri Lanka and China are able to reaffirm its already strong bilateral relations through this visit. I want to also extend my gratitude to the government of China for the generous support extended to Sri Lanka towards fighting the pandemic. The large amount of protective gear and medical supplies donated to Sri Lanka has been very valuable in protecting our citizens. As you will agree, there is still much to be done in the recovering from the effect of this outbreak, particularly the economic impact. I hope we can work together and use our long-standing friendship to rebuild confidence among investors as we work towards economic recovery in the post-COVID years. The government is keen on welcoming investments from around the world. One of our main priorities is the Colombo Port City that your President and I went there and started the project. I hope the Chinese government can help encourage Chinese companies to come to Sri Lanka and create investments. This will help us create export income and as well created employment opportunities for our citizens, especially the youth. As you know, the tourism sector has been severely affected globally. Working closely with our health authorities, government is keen on rebuilding Sri Lanka's tourism sector and providing a safe tourist destination for tourists from around the world. Your Excellency, I look forward to working closely with you and the government of China to find collective solutions to address common challenges posed by the pandemic, including the fight to end this global pandemic and revival of our economic relations.